The special hot dip galvanizing production line for side-in and end-out scaffolding designed, developed, and built by Zhuzhou Richmond Intelligent Technology Company Limited, has an annual production capacity of 100,000 tons. The entire production line is automated and informatized, and has significant advantages such as small footprint, high production efficiency, low operation and maintenance costs, good environmental protection effects, and high safety. The layout of the production line is divided into black parts handling area, automatic pre-treatment area, automatic circulating galvanizing area, automatic cooling passivation area, discharging area, and environmental protection equipment area. This production line is fully automated and information-based, side-in and end-out type. Special hot dip galvanizing production line for L-shaped scaffolding realizes L-shaped rotation in one span workshop. The production line equipment is centralized and occupies a small area. According to the requirements of the galvanizing process, workers in the black parts area perform bolting and hanging operations on the parts to be plated. The parts to be plated are transported to the feed pitch by manual driving and enter the closed room. The operator logs into the hot dip galvanizing production MES system independently developed by Richmond Equipment, inputs production information, automatically runs the closed room parameter display interface. The number 1 RGB card in the closed room automatically grabs the workpieces to be plated and places the workpieces in the pickling pool for pickling. After the parts to be plated are automatically pickled, they are extracted from the pickling tank by the number 2 RGB card and put into the reduction tank for weight reduction processing. The parts to be plated enter the water washing tank after weight reduction treatment. The number 3 RGB car picks up the workpieces from the water washing tank and performs plating treatment. After the plating treatment, the RGB car transports it to the discharge pit. 3 groups of RGB cars work alternately, automatically grabbing pendants and optimizing the processes of pickling, weight reduction, rinsing, fluxing, and automatic discharging. The production cycle per hour can reach more than 10 小时 endings. The pre-treatment closed room adopts negative micropressure control technology to realize online display of the negative micropressure status of the closed room. The material is discharged from the pit, semi-gantry hoisting, and the scaffolding crossbar, and is directly transported to the galvanizing area by the loading chain conveyor. For the galvanizing operation of scaffolding poles, a secondary threading and hanging process is designed, and it is equipped with automatic discharging equipment, and the poles are threaded and hung twice to achieve the effect of one washing and two plating to reduce zinc consumption. The semi-gantry manual loading lifts the parts to be plated to the loading chain conveyor. The RGB car automatically grabs the materials and the side entry door descends. The material enters the side entry door, and the side entry door rises. The zinc fume collection hood, designed for hot dip galvanizing industrial and mining scaffolding, has a collection efficiency of more than 95% and has the advantages of reliable structure and high degree of automation, zinc temperature and odor display interface. The parts to be plated automatically fall into the zinc pot for zinc bath. After the zinc immersion is completed, the dusting operation is carried out first. The side door rises to enter the manual dusting. The vibrator vibrates to shake off the excess zinc liquid. After the galvanizing is completed, the discharging end door opens, and the indexing machine completes a 90-degree turn, and the plated parts exit the zinc pot from the end door, and are automatically cooling and passivation. After the passivation operation is completed, the RGB vehicle places the white parts on the discharging chain conveyor and transports them to the discharging station. The RGB truck returns to the top of the feeding chain machine, grabs the parts to be plated, proceeds to the next galvanizing cycle. Drives the truck manually, and places the materials on the crossbar and vertical pole repair racks. Environmental protection equipment is centrally placed outside the factory, and the environmental protection equipment area is managed integratedly, saving factory space and having a high safety factor. Flue gas and thermal auxiliary automatic heating system, high temperature cooling tower, cooling water cooling system. Special back dust filter for hot dip galvanizing flue gas. Integrated flux treatment equipment. Rinse water treatment integrated machine. Automatic liquid level replenishment in pump room and pipe gallery. Secondary acid mist spray tower. The main control room can monitor the operating status of all production processes and environmental protection equipment in real time. Production line homepage. Logistics board. Environmental board. Production energy consumption. Work order board. Information board. This production line can achieve rapid delivery, rapid training, and rapid production within 1 month, helping enterprises to continue to increase production and reduce costs, save energy and protect the environment, allowing enterprises to quickly embark on the track of sustainable development.